Hi, this is Jackie Kiadii, Microsoft Certified Trainer specializing in Excel and Power BI. I thought I would come to you today with this really quick tip that I'm using right now as I am stacking up some social media posts. I know a lot of you who are entrepreneurs plan your social media posts and actually store them in Excel. And so I wanted to show you a quick tip that you could use to limit the length of the characters in a cell. When might you use it? You might use it in a situation like this where you're creating an Excel workbook and you want to type, maybe you want to type some ideas about what you want the caption to be in a particular cell, but what you do not want to do is you do not want to exceed the character limit. In order to do that, what you would do is select the cells that are involved, go to data validation, and put a limit on the length of or the number of characters that can be used in that particular range. So I'm just going to go ahead and select these cells. And then on the data tab, in the data tools group, I am going to select data validation, which is this icon here. And then here where it says allow, instead of any value, I'm going to click the drop down list and I'm going to select text length. And I'm just going to say minimum. I believe Instagram is 2,200 characters. So maybe I'll just make it 1,800. Okay. So text length between 1 and 1,800 characters. When I'm done, I go ahead and click OK. And now that has been applied to this particular cell. So that if I type in more than 1,800 characters, it's going to beep at me and prevent me from doing so. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, I would love to know. Please leave a comment below. Thank you so much for watching.